Welcome to EDU Aero Classroom. In this tutorial, we will learn about remainder theorem and factorization of polynomials. Now, remainder theorem. According to this theorem, let Px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Let a be any real number if Px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then we have to prove that the remainder is Pa. Proof for this theorem is let Px be a polynomial of degree 1 or greater than 1. Now suppose Px is divided by x minus a and quotient is qx and remainder is Rx. That is, we can write here dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder, that is Rx. Since the degree of x minus a is 1 and the degree of Rx, that is remainder, is less than the degree of x minus a, that is divisor. So, degree of remainder is 0. So, we can say here remainder is any constant, say r. So, now we have our remainder is r, that is a constant. So, we can write here Px, that is dividend, equal to divisor, that is x minus a, into quotient, that is qx, plus remainder, that is our r. Now, if x is equal to a, this equation gives Pa is equal to a minus a into qa plus r is equal to r, which proves the theorem. Let us see this theorem by taking some examples. Now, in this question, we have to find the remainder when we divide x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 minus 2x square plus x plus 1 by x minus 1. Here, Px is equal to x to the power 4, x to the power 3 minus 2x square plus x plus 1, and the 0 of x minus 1 is 1. That is, here x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So, the 0 of x minus 1 is 1. Now, P1 is equal to plus 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So by remainder theorem, 2 is the remainder when we divide this expression by x minus 1. Now let's take other question where qt is 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1, and we have to check whether this is a multiple of 2t plus 1 or not. So to check this, if we divide qt by 2t plus 1 and if remainder is 0, then we can say that 2t plus 1, we can say that 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1 is a multiple of 2t plus 1. So by taking 2t plus 1 is equal to 0, we get t is equal to minus 1 by 2. So q minus 1 by 2 is equal to 4 into minus 1 by 2 cube plus 4 into minus 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is equal to minus 4 by 8 plus 4 by 4 minus plus, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So here the remainder is 0. So we can say that 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1 is a multiple of 2t plus 1. So 2t plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial qt, that is qt is a multiple of 2t plus 1. Now factorization of polynomials. Let's see factor theorem. If px is a polynomial of degree n, that is n is greater than equal to 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of polynomial px if the remainder, that is pa, is 0. And another convention is pa is 0, or we can say that remainder is 0 if x minus a is a factor of px. Proof is by remainder theorem. We know that dividend, that is px, is equal to divisor, that is x minus a, into quotient qx plus remainder, that is pa. Now let's see first that if pa is 0, the above equation will be as px is equal to x minus a into qx plus 0 will be equal to x minus a into qx. That shows that x minus a is a factor of px. Now let's see second one. Since given that x minus a is a factor of px and Px is equal to x minus a into zx for same polynomial of zx. In case Pa is equal to a minus a into za, that is equal to 0. So here we conclude that Pa is 0 if x minus a is the factor of Px. This is all about factor theorem. Now let us take example based on factor theorem. In this example, we need to find out whether x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial or x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Now we will see how it will be solved. The 0 of x plus 2 is, when we put x plus 2 is equal to 0, then it gives x is equal to minus 2. So the 0 of x plus 2 is minus 2. Now let's consider Px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 and gx is equal to 2x plus 4. Now p minus 2 is equal to minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. It is equal to minus 8 plus 12 minus 10 plus 6, that is equal to 0. So we can say that by factor theorem that x plus 2 is a factor of Px. Now here gx is equal to 2x plus 4. Now we will see z minus 2 equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 4, that is equal to 0. So by factor theorem x plus 2 is also the factor of gx. Now another example is find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. Now the 0 of solution is the 0 of x minus 1 is 1 if it, and let px is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. Now it is given that x minus 1 is a factor of px. So p1 will be equal to 0. So here we can write 4 1 cube plus 3 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus k is equal to 0. It will be equal to 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus k equal to 0 and k equal to minus 3. Now we will see an example of factorized quadratic polynomial of type ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are constants. Let's see example. Factorize 6x square plus 17x plus 5 by splitting middle term. Here we can find two numbers p and q such that p plus q is equal to 17 and pq is equal to 30. Then we can get the factors. So we can have p is equal to 15 and q is equal to 2 such that 15 plus 2 is equal to 17 and 15 into 2 is equal to 30. So we can write like this: 6x square plus 15 plus 2x plus 5. This can be written as 6x square plus 15x plus 2x plus 5. Now taking 3 common, it is 3x common, it is 2x plus 5 and it will be 2x plus 5. So the factors are 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 5. Last example is factorize y square minus 5y plus 6 by using the factor theorem. Let py is equal to y square minus 5y plus 6. Let's consider py is equal to y minus a and y minus b. So we know that here the constant term will be ab, that is equal to 6. Now to look for the factors of py, we look for the factors of 6. The factor of 6 are 1, 2 and 3. Now P2 is equal to 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6 is equal to 4 minus 10 plus 6 is equal to 0. So y minus 2 is a factor of py. Similarly, P3 is equal to 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6 equal to 9 minus 15 plus 6 is equal to 0. So y minus 3 is also the factor of py. So we can write here py equal to y minus 2 and y minus 3. So y square minus 5y plus 6 equal to y minus 2 and y minus 3. This is all about factorization of polynomial.